How to make vertical video horizontal. So if you make some vertical videos and I want to make this vertical video horizontal, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to make vertical video horizontal, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Capcut app. If you do not have the Capcut application on your phone, go ahead to your Play Store, either on Android or App Store on iPhone, and then download and install Capcut. Click on New Project, then select the video you want to convert from one format to the other. So let's say this is the vertical video you want to make horizontal. Select it and click on Add. Then once you click on the Add button, now to make this horizontal, all you just need to do is swipe through this and then click on aspect ratio. Once you selected aspect ratio, select 16:9, then click on the check button. Then again, swipe through the menu without selecting the video, I repeat. Then click on background. Then here, click on blur background. Then you want to select the background you want to use from here. So this is going to use part of the video as the background, like this. Then click on the check button. Then you can just go ahead and play the video. Then you should see the vertical video converted to horizontal, while part of the video itself is used as the video background. You see that? And once you're done editing the video, then you can now go ahead and edit the video, cut out unwanted part from the video. And once you're done, click on export at the top right. Then you should see the video exported as a horizontal video instead of vertical video. So once the video is exported successfully on your phone using Capcut, this is going to save the video in a landscape mode instead of saving the video in a portrait mode as it was when you recorded the video on your phone. So this could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. And after that, you can just go ahead and then hit the play button. Then you should see the video just like this. Now, exit the Capcut page, open your gallery or search for it. On the gallery page, locate the video, then open it. Then go ahead and play it. This is what you're going to have. You see that? Instead of having a portrait video or vertical video, then you're going to have an horizontal video like this. So that is basically how to make vertical video horizontal. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.